Myself Safina Khanam from News Moments Network welcomes you in News Moment English. Weeping of Raket, the farmer leader brought people to Ghazipur border again. Sobbing Mr. Tiket said, "This government wants to destroy the country's farmers. I will not let that happen. After my arrest, the government and police want to have my farmers, who have made this agitation into a mass one, assaulted by the goons on their way back. I cannot desert them. They are my family. Farmers from across the country have pinned their hopes on us. I cannot betray them." A large number of farmers from various villages in Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, and Punjab began pouring in at the Delhi-UP border after Tikat broke down. Slogans like Kisan Ekta Zindabad, Long Live Farmers' Unity, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Hail the Soldier, Hail the Farmer echoed through the protest site on a chilly January 28th night. On the other hand, clashes broke out on Friday between protesting farmers and a group of men shouting anti-farmer and pro-police slogans, and authorities used tear gas and batons to break up the fight at Singhu, which is one of the protest sites near the national capital. Delhi Police SHO Alipur Pradeep Paliwala was injured in the violence after a man attacked him with a sword, an official said, adding that some people were also wounded. The official said that police detained the man who attacked the station house officer. But the question is, how local people reached there when reporters and water-carrying vehicles are stopped by the police before 1 kilometer of dharna sites? सफलता की शुरुआत सिर्फ मोशन के साथ. मोशन स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट फॉर क्लास 7 to 12 students. Get up to 50% scholarship for the session 2021 to 22. Durgapur Center phone number 9434822278. Welcome back to our channel. Instructions to hold early elections in 106 bodies of the state, including Asansol. A division bench of the Kolkata High Court on Friday directed to hold elections in 106 municipalities of the state as soon as possible, excluding the Kolkata. The election process of 106 municipalities, including Asansol, Howrah, Siliguri, Chandan Nagar and Bidhan Nagar Municipal Corporation, has been directed to be completed as soon as possible. The order was passed by a division bench of Kolkata High Court Judge Indra Prasanna Mukherjee and Justice Nizamuddin while hearing a public interest litigation filed by Howrah District CPM leader Shankar Moitra. As the case related to Kolkata Municipal Corporation is pending in the Supreme Court, therefore the High Court Division Bench has directed to hold elections to order bodies except Kolkata immediately. It is noteworthy that the term of Howrah Municipal Corporation has expired on December 10, 2018. Asansol Municipal Corporation, Bidhan Nagar, had expired in October 2020. Rescue of one woman with her daughter and son by RPF post PRR on 28 January 2021. Operation My Saheli and Nanne Farishte. Operation Nanne Farishte and My Saheli was recently augmented by RPF for rescue and rehabilitation of distressed children or women or girls found in railways and hustle-free secured journey of ladies in railways, and upon working that. On 28 January 2021, as per CCTV surveillance on duty, B shift officers ASIPF CM Prasad and ON Mishra, My Saheli team of RPF post PRR noticed at about 7:50 hours that one female with her daughter and son on lap was sitting in distress and helpless condition alone in the circulating area in front of booking office of Purulia station. However, she was attended, and on being asked, she disclosed her name and address as Renuka Samanta, wife of Gautam Samanta, RO Devalpur Kharagpur, PS Kharagpur Town, District West Mednipur, and also name of her daughter was Sapna Samanta, aged about 9 years, and son Gopal Samanta, aged 7 years. But on further inquiries, she could not reply satisfactorily and stated that she left her in-laws' house due to a dispute with her husband yesterday and came to Purulia as she had no place to go. After repeated requests, she disclosed only mobile number of her husband as 9933591766. However, she was rescued and brought to RPF post Purulia along with her daughter and son, kept with care of LSI Shreya, LCT Jyoti Kumari Paswan, K.R. Das, Ruby Kumari. Accordingly, information of rescue was given to her husband, namely Gautam Samanta, and father Himanshu Samanta, who came to RPF post Purulia at about 20:10 hours dated 28 January 2021, and the female with daughter and son were handed over to her husband and father with proper identification, satisfaction and acknowledgement. Two youths arrested for raping an old woman in Chittaranjan. One accident after another is happening in Chittaranjan city. News of Chittaranjan city is coming up in the headlines again and again. Chittaranjan is now plagued with incidents like murder and rape. Chittaranjan police have arrested two accused after receiving a complaint. Police have sent the two accused, including the woman, to the district headquarters for medical examination. The victim lives with her husband in a mud hut at the corner of a college adjacent to Radha Krishna's temple at the corner of road number 43 on the way to Chittaranjan College. A 17-year-old resident of 37th Street and another 30-year-old man from Hashipadi area of Jharkhand entered the woman's mud hut at night. The woman had lodged a written complaint alleging that they had sexually assaulted her by pressing a pillow to her face before realizing anything. The woman was devastated by the sudden incident. Somehow, after spending the night in panic, she rushed to Chittaranjan police station with her husband in the morning. There, they lodged a written complaint at around 10:45 p.m. Police quickly arrested the accused, realizing the importance of the case. According to the police, a case of rape has been filed against them and under the non-bailable section. But due to this incident, the general public said that the number of miscreants in Chittaranjan area is increasing day by day. It is reported that fear has spread among the people of the area after this incident.
Shop in Asansol, which is famous for its uniqueness. This shop is 100 years old. They have some unique products. They have the variety of khakra, which you don't find in Asansol. They have delicious product. The address of opposite SBI Bank, Simran Roy Road, Asansol. The pin code is 713301. And you have also call on the number 0341 2305017. And another mobile number is 9547356154. And they have the unique tasty products: meethi khakra, masala khakra, sadda khakra, Manchurian khakra, cheese khakra, Maggi khakra, chaat masala khakra, mithia khakra, banana chips.
Welcome back to our channel. Manoj Sharma reports from Barabani. West Bardhaman Minority Cell President Syed Muhammad Afroz Alam was also present at a meeting of Barabani Block TMC Minority Cell at a private auditorium in the Mahani Bazaar. Barabani TMC Block President Asit Singh, Mr. Ali Hussain Sahib got a new face.
সংখ্যালঘু তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের ভাইরা আপনারা জানেন যে আগামী 2-3 মাস পরে সামনে নির্বাচন হতে পারবে। তবে আমরা যে গ্রামে গ্রামে আছি, যে সব ছেলেরা যেমন যুব তৃণমূল কংগ্রেস, মালা তৃণমূল কংগ্রেস, তাদের সঙ্গে একসাথে মিলে এক একটা এলাকায় এক এক ধরনের কর্মসূচি সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়ে আমরা যদি কাজ করি বড়দের নির্দেশ অনুযায়ী, তবে আমি মনে করি এই বাংলায়।
Let us hear what Syed Afroz said.
यहाँ पे जब एनआरसी लाया गया और मुसलमानों को आइसोलेटेड करने के लिए जब यहाँ पे कोशिश किया गया, एक कॉर्नर करने के लिए, साइड करने के लिए, इस देश की मेन धारा से हिंदू मुसलमान को अलग करने के लिए जब बीजेपी ने यहाँ पे जो बिल लाया एनआरसी का, ममता बनर्जी किस तरीके से रोड पे उतरकर उसके लिए लड़ाई लड़ी और पार्लियामेंट से लेकर हर जगह ममता बनर्जी ने कहा कि हमारा जो संख्यालघु है वो हमारे देश का एक अहम एक विभिन्न हिस्सा है, हम उसको कभी छोड़ नहीं सकते। तो ममता बनर्जी का ये एहसान हम लोग जिंदगी भर नहीं भूल सकते, इसलिए कोई भी दल आ जाए, कोई भी पार्टी आ जाए।
Minister Narottam Mishra joined the discussion program on tea in Andal. In Andal, Madhya Pradesh Home Minister Narottam Mishra came on Friday to organize discussion program on tea organized by BJP and to collect 2 handful of rice from farmers. After landing at Andal airport, he reached Andal Bahadur village where they took part in a tea party discussion program accompanied by West Bardhaman District President Lakhan Ghoranai, Mandal President Jayant Mishra and other members. In this tea party discussion program, Narottam Mishra said that the incident that took place at the Red Fort of Delhi on January 26 and the opposition party has stood in support of the miscreants instead of denying this incident shows the intentions of the opposition party of the country, especially West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, who came with separatists without thinking, which is reprehensible.
তা আমাদের এখান থেকে কিছু ভিক্ষা দেওয়া হলেন ওকে, উনি খুব খুশি হলেন।
কিছু বললেন আপনার সঙ্গে কোনো কথা হলো?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ বললেন আমাদের কি সমস্যা আছে সেইটাই শুনলেন, তারপর শুনে বললেন আমি যতটুকুন পারবো করব, চেষ্টা করব।
কি নাম আপনার?
টুম্পা রায়।
বললেন যে ঠিক আছে দেখবো, কোনো সুযোগ সুবিধা পায় না, তাকে জানানো হলো যে এতদিন ধরে কোনো সুযোগ সুবিধা পায় না, যেহেতু গরিব মানুষ কোনো ঘর টর কোনো কিছু পায়নি, আমরা ভাঙা ঘরে থাকি।
প্রতিশ্রুতি দিল?
हाँ प्रतिश्रुति दिलो।
दीदी का भाईपो को लेकर कुछ बोलेंगे?
ये सब माफियाओं की गिरफ्त में है। पश्चिम बंगाल में माफियाओं का राज चल रहा है। सरकार नाम की चीज नहीं है। कोल माफिया, बालू माफिया, दारू माफिया, भू माफिया, पूरे कहीं हमारे प्रदेशों में लव जिहाद चलता है, यहाँ लैंड जिहाद चल रहा है। यहाँ पर लैंड यूज चेंज कराते हैं, किसान की भूमि को आवासी करा लेते हैं, किसान की भूमि को कमर्शियल करा लेते हैं और फिर बेचते रहते हैं तृणमूल के नेता, तृणमूल के मंत्री, तृणमूल के विधायक।
विधानसभा में ममता जी ने ये जो बिल है केंद्रीय सरकार का, इसके विपक्ष में प्रस्ताव लाया है।
जो भी राष्ट्र हित की बात होगी उसके खिलाफ ममता जी रहेगी, क्योंकि ममता जी घुसपैठियों का समर्थन करती है। ममता जी देश के बाहर की बातों का समर्थन करती है। ये उनकी सोच है और तुष्टीकरण की राजनीति है, उनकी वोट बैंक की राजनीति है। इसलिए राष्ट्र हित की हर बात का वो विरोध करते हैं। लोग कह ही रहे हैं कि वहां पर कभी काम ही नहीं किया, तो वास्तव में काम किया भी नहीं है। सड़क मिलती नहीं है, वहाँ सीवेज की कोई व्यवस्था नहीं, ड्रेनेज की कोई व्यवस्था नहीं, केंद्र की योजनाएं वहाँ पे फलीभूत हो नहीं रही है। केंद्र सरकार की स्थिति ये है कि न तो प्रधानमंत्री आवास आ रहे हैं, खाद्यान्न उनके लोगों के नाम पे आ गया, लॉकडाउन का पूरा खाद्यान्न वो खा के चले गए। हमारी जो स्वास्थ्य की योजना है 5 लाख रुपया तक की आयुष्मान योजना, उस तक का तो पश्चिम बंगाल में लागू किया नहीं।
मुझे आगे विधानसभा वोट है तो ईडी सीबीआई का क्या रोल होगा, वो तो आपका हाथ में है।
ईडी सीबीआई से हमको क्या मतलब है? हमको आपसे मतलब है, जनता से मतलब है। हम आपके बीच में आए चाय पर चर्चा करने,
लेकिन तृणमूल बोल रहा है कि ईडी सीबीआई को लेकर ये लोग राजनीति कर रहा है और विधानसभा वोट जीतने के लिए प्रस्तुत हुए।
अच्छा आप बताओ, ईडी सीबीआई कहीं वोट मांगती है क्या? जिनको डर होता है वो ऐसी बातें करते हैं, जो कानून के खौफजदा होते हैं।
29 January 2021 Saturday. The day was happy and sad for the Pehla Kadam school. Mr. Prakash Agarwal and his wife Mrs. Manju Savaria came to the school with special children to celebrate their 32nd wedding anniversary and was saddened by the retirement of Mr. Gopal Singh, chairman and managing director. There were days that have done a lot for the special kids of the Pehla Kadam. Honorable Shri Gopal Singh Ji has been an efficient CMD of BCL. He has brought BCL to a high position while playing his responsibility in his field of work. He has also contributed a lot to the Pehla Kadam of the Special Children's School. As well as his affection and love for the special children of the first step, he always used to come to meet the special children of the first step. They have a different identity now. Ranju Goyal, Manju Chaudhary and Surekha Savaria were present on the occasion. The director of the school, Mrs. Anita Agarwal, offered a basil plant, shawl, memento and gave a hearty farewell to the BCCL president cum managing director, Mr. Gopal Singh, saying that wherever you stay healthy and enjoy a happy life. To change the commotion with the distribution of health partner card. Amritnagar, Sahibganj, Narayanpur, mango and banana were thrown by angry locals. The police had to be called as the situation was strange. The police came and handled the angry crowd. Talking to Reena Das, the head of the panchayat, she said that when the general public started protesting, she called the BDO and asked for help. Mr. BDO called the police from there and the police came and handled the incident.
কি করণীয় আছে?
তো কি বলছি যে ইয়ে 31 তারিখে শিওর হবে কিনা কি করে আমরা বুঝবো?
হ্যাঁ
31 তারিখে যে বলছে শিওর কি করে আমরা শিওর দেখছেন তো যে হবেই?
বলছে তো হবে, আমি ওই ওদের শুনে কথা শুনে আমি বলছি, আমি ওর কথা শুনে বলছি 31 তারিখ হবে। রবিবার হবে? হ্যাঁ রবিবার হবে।
আজকে সাড়ে সত্যি হবে না 31 তারিখে
Asansol Durgapur Police under Road Safety Month in 32 with the slogan of Road Safety Survival Awareness rally was organized by Commissionerate. On Friday, an awareness rally was organized towards Asansol Durgapur Police Commissionerate. ADPC Police Commissioner Shukesh Kumar Jain and District Director Purnendu Majhi were taken out under the leadership. Through this rally, people were called to drive and take precautions as per traffic rules. On this occasion, an attempt was made to alert the people through a play. During this time, police officers and policemen were involved. According to Abdul Manaf from Asansol, Baba Basukinath Seva Samiti provides food to the needy every day in All India RPF Association Asansol branch office complex located at station number 13. On Friday, Lions Club of Asansol Greater provided food to 200 needy people in collaboration with Baba Basukinath Seva Samiti. On the occasion, the team of Lions Club of Asansol Greater was honoured by Baba Basukinath Seva Samiti by giving them a memento. Lions Club Ambika Mukherjee, Dilip Saha, Dr. Jai Shankar Saha, Manoj Prasad, Jeetu Singh, Biswajit Das, Jitendra Singh, Sajjan Jhaluka of Baba Basukinath Seva Samiti and others were present on the occasion. Asansol, the foundation stone for laying the pipeline to supply water to the house was laid in Ikra village. Satakpur village and Adivasi village of the 7-number ward located on number 1 borough of Asansol Municipal Corporation. Municipal Corporation Board of Administrator Puranishi Rai and Abhijit Ghatak laid the foundation stone of the work by breaking the coconut. On this occasion, Puranishi Rai said that since independence, there was no water facility in these villages. He said that to overcome the water problem in Jamuria, an overhead tank has been built at 4 places. The work of laying the pipeline will be done very soon, so that the water of the people of the village soon reaches their homes. The villagers were very happy about this. People thanked Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee and Asansol Municipal Corporation. People said that the work which the left could not do was done by Trinamool Congress government of Ma Mati Manush. Hundreds of people from the village, including former councillor Rakhi Karmakar, were present on the occasion. ER Asansol Railway Division employees honoured with the Star of the Month award. Asansol 29 January 2021. To recognize and acknowledge the good work done by the staff of Eastern Railways Asansol Division at the field level, Star of the Month award for October, November and December 2020 was given yesterday, that is 29th January 2021. Altogether 71 awards, among which 66 individual award and 5 group awards including Mrs. Anjan DCM Asansol with her team have been adjudged as the Star of the Month for October, November and December 2020 for their meritorious performance and exceptional devotion in discharging their duty. Shri Sumit Sarkar, Divisional Railway Manager Asansol, handed over a Certificate of Merit and Cash Award as a token of appreciation for their good work throughout the month at a function held at New Conference Room, DRM's office, observing social distancing norms scrupulously, congratulating and good wishes to all the recipients of this award. Shri Sarkar expressed that this month award would encourage as well as motivate fellow railwaymen to put their best in executing official work. This will, in turn, invite a healthy competition among officers and staff which will pave the way for more sincere and speedy disposal of office work. Moreover, Shri Sarkar DRM handed over the individual and group awards for outstanding performance of different departments. Dancers, recitationists, members of St. John Ambulance, volunteers of Bharat Scouts and Guides, Divisional Cultural Association, Divisional Office Canteen and RPF Dog Squad to make the Republic Day 2021 celebration a grand success. Shri M.K. Meena, Additional Divisional Railway Manager Asansol along with all branch officers were present in this occasion. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.